Dear students, welcome to online English class on behalf of Araihazar Pilot Model Government High School. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah and have kept yourself safe and sound from coronavirus. And I also hope that you are studying attentively at home. Dear students, I am Md.Maniruzzaman, Assistant Teacher, English, Araihazar Pilot Model, Government High School. Anyway, in my last class, I discussed the general rules of doing passive voice. Today, my class is for the class 6, 7, 8 and from your English second paper book on voice tense. We know that there are some exceptional rules of doing passive voice for assertive sentence. Now I am discussing on the exceptional rules of doing passive voice for assertive sentence. The exceptional rules are on reflexive pronoun as object, verb as passive verb, and object as active object. Now first, I will discuss on reflexive pronoun as object while doing passive voice for assertive sentence. I am erasing the rest rules. When reflexive pronoun as object, the active voice, the structure is the following. The structure is the following. I am writing the structure of doing passive voice. You know that reflexive pronoun can't be used as an object in the passive, in the sentence. Reflexive pronoun can be used as a subject in the sentence. So the given subject in the active voice should be the subject of passive voice. Okay, now I am writing the structure of the passive voice. The given subject plus verb to be, to be means, you know that auxiliary am, is, are, was or were. This to be verb will be according to the tense of active voice. Okay. And subject plus verb to be plus main verb. Of course, past participle plus a preposition by plus the given reflexive pronoun RP. I have written RP. RP means reflexive pronoun. Okay, dear students, we know that the reflexive pronouns are generally himself, myself, itself, themselves, ourselves, yourselves, etc. Okay, now I am writing an example according to this structure. She fans herself. Herself. Okay, here herself is the reflexive pronoun and fans is reflexive verb. Okay. Now I am writing the given subject she according to the structure. She, auxiliary of course, is, because the tense is in the present simple or present indefinite tense. She is. Past participle of fans, fan, and preposition by plus RP, that means reflexive pronoun. Here reflexive pronoun is herself. Okay. Okay. I can give you another example. Number B. He killed himself. That means he suicided. He killed himself. Okay. The given subject is auxiliary, of course, was because it is in the past simple or past indefinite tense. He was killed was participle form of verb. Preposition by reflexive pronoun RP himself. Okay. Now I have completed the exceptional rule number 1. Exceptional rule number 1 of doing passive voice when reflexive pronoun as object. Then I will discuss, dear students, now I will discuss on the rule number, exceptional rule number 2. Exceptional rule number 2, when verb is a passive verb. And I am verb is a passive verb. Now I am writing the structure when verb is passive verb. You know that in the passive verb there is no object. In the place of object, a complement or an adjective will set in the place of object. Okay. And you know that passive verb is the verb which passive verb is the verb which has no object, only has an adjective or complement. Now writing the structure. The given subject plus verb to be according to the tense of the active voice plus complement or given complement or adjective plus when. This one is extra. When plus it or they plus verb to be, the same verb. The first to be verb is here, the same verb to be plus main verb past participle. Okay. It or they. Again, remember that when the subject is in the singular number, then it will be said and. When the subject is plural, they will use as the second subject. Okay, after when. I can tell you another structure of doing passive voice in the same rule. This is here the given subject plus verb to be plus complement or adjective. Here verb to be plus main verb past participle form plus complement or adjective. There are the two rules here of doing passive voice when verb is used as a passive verb. Okay, now I am writing an example according to this structure. Honey tastes sweet. Honey tastes sweet. Here, taste is a verb, passive verb, and sweet is complement or adjective. This is active voice. Okay. Now I write the given subject honey. The given subject honey. Then verb to be. Honey is third person singular number. Of course, is will be used here as verb to be. Honey is sweet. Complement. Honey is sweet when here is used eat because honey is the person singular number eat. Then again the same to be verb is. It is tasted. The past participle form of taste. Tasted. Okay. According to the second rule, the same sentence will be like this. Honey is tasted. Honey is tasted. Now complement. I should write complement or adjective. Yeah, sweet. Okay. Passive verb is generally feel, taste, call, etc. are used. Okay. Now, dear students, now I am discussing on rule number 3, exceptional rule number 3 of doing passive voice for assertive sentence. Here, object is used as factitive object in the active voice. When object is used as factitive object in the active voice, the structure will be the following. The structure will be the following structure. Okay. Factitive object is the object. Factitive object is the object which has no duration or its transitory or temporary object. It depends. Factitive object depends on the man's opinion or subject's opinion. Okay. Factitive object. When the factitive object is used, then verb will be factitive verb. Okay. Then verb will be factitive verb. This verb is generally make, elect, select, etc. Here, look at the structure. Subject of given object of the active voice. Subject of the object of active voice plus auxiliary verb, of course according to the tense of active voice, plus main verb of active voice past participle form, plus by the preposition by, plus object of the given subject of active voice. Object of the given subject of active voice. Now I am writing an example. Of course, according to this structure.